So we're looking at this crepe myrtle, and guess what? It has crepe myrtle bark scales. Here's some scales here. Have some up above. Crepe myrtle bark scales have piercing, sucky mouth parts. They feed on plant sap. So when should you treat for the crepe myrtle bark scale? Well, we're getting a little late in the season to do a systemic soil drench now, but what you can do is do a horticultural oil treatment. It will actually smother these crepe myrtle bark scales. And then I would come back next year in the spring with a systemic drench. The active ingredient for that systemic drench would be imidacloprid. Please read and follow the label directions on that. So again, crepe myrtle bark scale. Piercing, sucky mouth parts, they actually feed on plant sap, which can weaken your crepe myrtles. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.